Hello everyone, and welcome to my first video. Here we will explain how to complete the square. The purpose of completing the square is to solve quadratic equations, as is factoring and using the quadratic formula. When do we have to complete the square, you might ask? Well, sometimes factoring and using the quadratic formula might not work out well, so you will have to resort to using this method. For example, we have the equation 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. The equation given is the standard form of the problem, while the vertex form is 2x minus 1 squared plus 3. Next, we move on to figuring out how to complete the square. Before we can do anything, we need to figure out what our values are. In completing the square, we change our equation to point-slope formula, making it easier for us to find the answer. The point-slope form of the equation is y minus 5 equal to 2 times x squared minus 2x. To complete the square, we need to be able to combine a standard equation into the form x plus h squared. In this case, by adding 1 to x squared minus 2x, we would get x minus 1 squared. But by adding 1 on one side, we need to do the other on the other side. Therefore, the other side of the equation would be y minus 3. Now we set everything to vertex form, and then we get 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 3. Although, we are not done. Going back to our PowerPoint, we see here a table of the x and y values of the equation. We know these points because if we were to plug any of the x values into the equation, we get the y values. After getting our 7 points, we graph the points onto a graph and then we have a parabola. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you learned something.